I just wanted to take a peek and see if they had anything new down the storage. Like the storage and the utility things. They have these little lights here. Normally these are in the home decor section. And these are kind of new as well. Little unicorn. It's cute. Has anyone tried any of their little clip-on book lights? Any recommendations? Nothing really new in the storage area, but you know, the dividers and things like that. Sometimes I like looking when it's new seasons, but they do have these over the door hooks. Some of you have highly recommended this cleansing water. I'm gonna just look because they've had some really great Live Clean products lately. These are such cute soap pumps. I've seen them and they sold out really fast at other stores that I had seen them at. Salon Selectives is here. Oh, see? This is a Live Clean product. Monet, I don't know this name. Oil? A leave-in conditioner. And they have some Labella still here. I have been looking for an orange t-shirt forever. Finally. There's usually so many of them. These are great if you're practicing even with a Cricut or a Silhouette machine. Aren't these the cutest little socks? They're a 2-pack, they're little foxes. Oh, these are cute headbands. Very cute. This store has so much jewelry. I have never seen this amount of jewelry at any of the other stores I go to regularly. If you're needing organization bins, I highly recommend coming to your Dollar Tree to check it out. These look like new calendars. Maybe, I'm not sure. I haven't seen them anywhere else. This is the Live Clean and it's baby shampoo. And I buy it to wash Bear with, my little pet. He's a little dog and I think it's nice. It's very gentle baby wash. They have a ton of new little products actually, like these little baby washcloths and everything. They're nice and neutral, and then you have like the little blues and the pinks. Here are some more Live Clean products. These are the baby wipes, and they're $64. They're the bonus size. many of you appreciate going down the makeup aisle, so I'm just going to go through here and see if there's any new finds. I think some of these nails are new. I know for a while there were the coffin ones. Not quite these, because it looks like these have dual colors. Anyways, there's quite a bit of nail sets here. I'll go through the makeup as well. They have this awesome little end cap with just e.l.f. makeup brushes. Super cool. I'm not sure if this is the same one I've purchased at the other Dollar Tree. It's hard to remember sometimes. They do have a few Clean Logic products here, at least. Just going to share with you some of the cleaning products. And then I wanted to head down the, I guess like the kitchenware aisle. Has anyone tried this? Does it smell nice? These are the largest hand sanitizer bottles I have seen at Dollar Tree yet. Usually I see the really tiny little bottles. I will tell you that this Artisan Pasta, the top one, this one here, I don't want to pronounce it, Gemily, I think. I've made some dishes with it and it's really nice. They have some other ones here as well. I was hoping to see if they had any more like large packages of sprinkles, but the ones with the 4 type, but they don't seem to have any here. They have pineapple and they have peaches, so if you're making anything with fruits, you can have some canned fruit. Okay, back to the kitchenware where I was supposed to be going and I got sidetracked down this aisle. Oh, you know what I did find was Frank's Red Hot Barbecue Sauce. This one here. This sauce here. So if you're looking for some, they do have some. The Veleda brushes. I haven't seen this anywhere else. I wonder how much these would cost at a grocery store. There's nothing interesting here. I was kind of excited to see if they had some new kitchen towels for the season, like for spring and stuff, but it doesn't seem like there's anything here. Anyways, I'm gonna head out, so I'm gonna say Bye for now. Since the store that I just ran into didn't have any of their Valentine's Day decor, I thought I'll give you a few sneak peeks from a different Dollar Tree and letting you know what to look for. So this is just a couple minutes of the video. If you want the full walkthrough, it's just my latest Dollar Tree walkthrough because I filmed it yesterday. Anyways, until next time, for real, bye for now. And look at these. Look at the metal. The little gnomes. Aren't they freaking cute? I'm a little overwhelmed because it's all new things. I've been so used to seeing this all set up for Christmas. These are new little boxes. You can put some flowers in them and turn them into a little centerpiece if you'd like. The little red truck I know is really popular among some people. I'm just loving oh my gosh, the little options. Look at the vases. Here's some wood signs. Oh, I think I'm gonna grab the white one. I like that. Yeah, I'm gonna buy this one. Oh, I don't want to make a mess here, but yeah, this one I'll buy. They have some more in the back. I'm just gonna take a look and see if there's, sometimes the wood has a different print or it's more exposed. They have the little pouches. These are 3 in a pack, so there's the pink ones. And then they have these little prints with red. Oh my gosh, I'm buying the entire store today. This is like out of control. This entire front wall unit here is filled with all brand new things I've never seen, not even in previous years. So these are little heart grapevines, and there's 5 in a pack. How awesome are these? I'm gonna have to figure out something to do with them. They have napkins down here with a heart shape. These are new. Little heart paper plates. These would be awesome to store craft goodies, even besides just using them for Valentine's, but they're really nice and large. And here's some wood hearts. So there's like the straight lined and then the sideways line paneled. And these would make such cute, oh my gosh, could you make little hot chocolate bombs with those? I have a feeling this ribbon is going to sell really quickly just because there's not a ton of it here. Usually you'll see a couple boxes. I'm not sure if they'll keep getting restocked. Oh my gosh, how cool. It's like, it's a faux rock, but it's solid, it's heavy, so it must be made of plaster. They have lots of wood decals, lots of little crafting material. If you want to keep the littles busy, you can do something with this. Some more ribbon, the really thin ribbon. I walked the aisle a couple times and I can't believe I missed these the first round. Look at them, they're so pretty. And there's some of the bags. I'll go through here again, just see if there's anything I missed the first time because it's overwhelming. Oh, there are some little LED lights, and they are on a pink wire, which would be sweet. And they have some new tissue. Pretty. Do you guys see what I see here? These are little gnomes. Aren't they freaking cute? Imagine like customizing these as little, they're too cute. A ton of new planters, including the 3-piece ones that are stackable. I'm in so much trouble today. I cannot hold back from purchasing a few of these little items. Should I make a fairy garden this year? Because these are so precious. They're just so cute. Yeah, no, I have to do something with them. I'm going to grab one of each, I think. They also have new greenery and floral, of course, but just so you see that there's some new greens.